The next divine name is Al-Hakeem, which means the wise. Allah, the Exalted, possesses infinite knowledge of all things and their real nature, and acts according to His infinite wisdom in a perfect manner. The Muslim who understands this divine name will never object to his choices and decrees, knowing that there is wisdom behind each choice of Allah, the Exalted, which benefits His servants even if they are not obvious to them. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
In addition, a Muslim must strive to gain and act on Islamic knowledge, as wisdom also includes understanding the highest of matters. A Muslim should act on this divine name by using their knowledge and blessings according to the commands of Allah, the Exalted, so that they benefit themselves and others in both worlds. This is the ultimate wisdom a person can possess. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.